Good everyone, Les here, Chief Analyst of BG Trading in Australia, and I hope you are well. Today is 26th of September 2024. We're going to be talking about Cettire Limited, which is a stock that a lot of our VP members had locked a 48 to 60% profit within this trading here, with this setup here, as CTT has reached our BGS 20 target and has even surpassed. I want to share with you with the modeling and why I think CTT still has more room to move upwards. Also, want to share our thoughts on Dier data, DDR, and Megaport. Two stocks that are also trading at technically discounted price, as CTT was trading a week ago, and we could see a significant upside as all those companies that we are talking about in this channel, at least in this video, they have relatively strong fundamentals. They are solid companies generating solid revenue and profitable, provided the macroeconomic outlook is currently positive for all those companies that we're going to be chatting in this video today. It's fair to think that if the stocks are undervalued, macroeconomic outlook is favorable, and also the technical formation is at buying area, it's not much a brainer to take a risk and potentially chase some 20 to 40% profit. Let's have a look. Remember guys, this is not a financial advice, just as from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply our strategies, BGS 20 and BG Trading, together with our VP members to chase 20 to 40% profit within 1 to 3 months. Sometimes trades goes really quickly, sometimes trades take a little bit longer than 3 months. But overall, the average time for our trades is about 2 months. No more than 2 months. I would like to invite you to become a member of our free Facebook community, buy, grow, and sell strategy for share traders. Also, our Facebook page, BG Trading. And please subscribe this channel, hit the like button, that will help us to reach more people as well. So as you can see, if you've been following us on this channel, you know that we have been a big supporter of CTT, Cettire Limited, for the reasons we discussed in previous videos. If you missed those videos, I'm going to be putting the link right there. Take a look. And then with patience, we saw this double bottom formation here and a huge short squeeze as the audited report just came up early this week. And then we saw a CTT soaring about 70% in one single day. Now a lot of people asking what's happening because the stock was down 15% today. Look, in a huge rally, a huge correction is very natural. But most importantly, looking at this chart formation modeling that we have been following with our VP members. So we had this target BGS 20 at 199. So we sold half of our stocks and we held half. We held half of that. And we're even looking at maybe taking another position here. So this is the modeling. So it went up 70%, as you can see on the RSI here. And we are expecting this correction to reach and then bounce back and still be in what we call bullish conversion here, pointing for a further upside. From the share price, as you can see, I'm expecting to start bouncing around $1.80 to $1.90. I don't think CTT will go much lower than $1.80. I could be wrong here. If it goes to $1.50, that would be definitely a plus. But I don't think this time will go much lower than $1.80, provided that the stock has been revaluated by many traders. Remember, this is a highly manipulated stock, a lot of short sellers. So we saw a lot of short sellers today and yesterday taking advantage of this huge rally. But I think there will be further short position coverage, and it surprises me if this stock heads towards $3 for the simple reason that there's strong fundamentals, macroeconomic outlook for this particular sector, and especially for Cettire that trades in the US and China. So this with huge Chinese economic stimulus with interest rates cut and US interest rate cut, it's fair to believe that this could be a stock that has only started to rally. Okay, so for me, CTT is still a further upside and still technically undervalued. As you can see, the long-term moving average is sitting at precisely $2.65. So it's fair to say that we'll reach $2.65 in the short term, and then maybe we have a little bit of testing there. So as you can see, I have actually highlighted that our sort of it's not our target for this trade, but it is an area that we might see some selling activity fairly soon. So the next one we're going to be looking at is Dier. Look, this is a stock that has been taking a very similar chart formation. There was a big correction here since December, but if you can see here, it went down all the way to $9, then it went up again to $10.50, went down to $9 again, and as you can see, this has played an area with a lot of buying activity. Therefore, confirming the fact this is a strong hypothetical support. That's what the chart suggests us, okay? Obviously, there's no guarantees in the market. It could fall further. Yes, if it does falls, if this stock falls further, it's likely to test around $7.50. There's another hypothetical support level there. But this double bottom formation here, which is a very common trading pattern among investment and trading community. So I strongly believe that we might see this consolidate into a rally cycle now. And if that happens, so we could see easily DDR testing this resistance level at $10.45.50 again, and then even a breaking out with a tight consolidation followed by a breaking out towards this next resistance level. So at the moment, I think DDR is in incredibly good position. Also, from the fundamental aspect, the revenue has declined a little bit, but profitability increased. And I want to highlight this. For DDR, if RBA takes a little bit longer to cut rates, these guys are making better margins on their importers because they import products, okay? So they're buying in Australian dollars. Now, however, this is a major player in Australia and New Zealand. So also Central Bank of New Zealand cutting rates already, which will improve the economy, and likely that businesses will start spending or investing into IT equipment and software, and then we could see a improvement of revenue. I think the worst in this last, let's say 12 months could be here. RBA cutting rates maybe within 6 months, that definitely should help this stock as well. So this is the time that I would like to be positioning into stocks like this. When the macroeconomic outlook is favorable, the fundamentals are still strong, and when the chart formation shows that the stock is trading at what we call, according to BGS 20, trading at technically discounted price. So that's DDR, okay? And the last one is Megaport, MP1. High quality growth stock, has improved its profitability and its revenue, but not as much the analyst was expecting. And then the stock has fallen about 50%. Yes, 50%. Now, trading after this fall of 50%, looking from the chart perspective here, as you can see, it's currently trading at technically discounted price. Bullish convergence here on the RSI, the relative strength index, which is among trading community a strong buying activity, showing that buying activity is start emerging and the stock start losing momentum to the downside. So I'm also looking at a strong volume start increasing here as the stock try to break out this level of $7, but strong buying activity comes after that. Obviously, this is an early stage, it's a little bit premature, okay? So ideally, we want to buy in a double bottom formation on a higher low, but provided that Megaport is a strong, like high quality growth stock, profitable, has just declared first ever profitable financial year in FY24. So it's fair to say that this could be a very good opportunity as well. And if we're gonna measure that, say we are buying now to lock in a profit within the next hypothetical resistance level, so we have about 42% range. It's a huge trading range here. So it has been recently short traded, but I think this could be a point of turnaround. Again, this is from the other two, is the most premature stock to jump in, but if it turns around in this level, this could be a very good trading opportunity of a high quality growth stock trading into a macroeconomic outlook that is positive for Megaport. Okay, so for me, this is a buying opportunity as well for the reasons I've just explained. Obviously, if you're going to be buying stock, I strongly recommend you to go through the last financial report, try and understand what's happening behind the scenes. Don't just buy because we're telling, this is not a financial advice. Buy because you wanted to invest or trade a business that is trading at highly discounted price and could, by only going back to a average price, you could make 40, even 50% profit out of that. That's how we make money, by buying cheap. The easiest money is when we buy stocks at technically discounted price at the bounce. All right, so if you are interested to have access to stock analysis, have a chat with us. We have a VIP membership program, which you can sign up. And also, if you don't want to sign up on VIP membership program, we have what we call one-on-one consultation, okay? So we can discuss in more detail. We can't provide you financial advice, but we can discuss our view in any stock. One-on-one call. All you need to do is just go to bgtrading.com.au and book your session. Obviously, it's a paid session, but you're going to have access with myself or with the other analyst, talking about any stock that you want to talk about, or even discuss further trading opportunity using BGS 20 strategy. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.